Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip is demo of the IRS e-news subscriptions for keeping up with scams, tax tips, and more. And I've been actually meaning to create this video so that you can see how to sign up for it. I think in the past I've just included like the link to sign up for the subscriptions, but I received an email this morning that had from the e-news subscriptions for tax pros from the IRS, and it reminded me. So I'm going to bring that email up now, and hopefully it will come up without causing too many problems. I think that went below. Okay, so here is the email. Now, I again have signed up for the IRS e-news subscription. I'll show you that. And you can see here that I signed up for the Tax Pros ones. And so today I received, a tax tip from the IRS. And they talked about, all of the stream of phishing emails and cloud-based attacks, and I thought this was an excellent reminder for me to make sure that I did this quick demo, at least I hope it's quick, demo of signing up for the IRS e-news subscriptions. Now here, when you receive these emails, they'll have a link so that you can click through to see it on the web, and so I'm going to do that now. And so here is all of the cloud-based attacks, the examples of the phishing emails that the IRS included in this subscription. But to sign up for your own, here is the link, and I'll put this in the description. Here is the link so that you can sign up for your own IRS e-news subscription. And don't be too, overwhelmed with trying to look through all of these. You can if you want. I'm signed up for quite a few, but you can open these up and see what is included. And so, but you don't have to do it all separately, and I'll show you, because you can select multiple ones at a time. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on here to subscribe to tax tips, and I'm going to enter in my email address. It's already there. And this is great, because if you're already signed up and you want to sign up for some more, you can do that. So you can see the ones that I am signed up for. The one that produced the email today was the e-news for tax professionals. But I'm also signed up for quick alerts. That's how I found out about the TCC code. If I said too many C's, maybe. But that's how I found out about that. It came through quick alerts. And then here's something for small business. And then it's got something on here for government entities and tax exempt organizations. It also has IRS videos too. I don't know if you knew, but the IRS has a YouTube channel. And then I signed up for their Twitter posts as well. I don't really know what comes with that, but I thought it was interesting. There's one on here that has that I thought was for the scams, but I think that's the e-news for tax professionals, or maybe they just included based on whatever the scam or however the scam originated from, because I don't think there is one specifically for scams. But if you do the tax pros, you'll get that. But you can kind of look through here and see what you want to sign up for. So again, I will put this link in the show notes, and you can come over, and if you haven't signed up, you can sign up. And if you have signed up, maybe take a look at your subscriptions and see if you need to or would like to add more. All right, so that is it for today. If you would like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at debrarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. And if you would like over 149 annual hours of nothing but vendor process training, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.debrarrichardson.com. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.